So we're finally going to put the tube in. I'm going to show you what it looks like to unbox it here. So when we open this up, it's actually double layered. So there's this big box here, right? Okay. And then inside of it, we got the box with the actual tube in it. So always make sure once you receive this, you inspect it. Okay. Is that it? Oh, I see. It's got a lid. Okay, and then it should have a bunch of more foam in here. There we go. Okay, there's our tube. Okay. That it for tape? I think so, okay. Peel it all back and reach in. And you don't have to worry, like you can get fingerprints all over the tube, it doesn't matter. The lens is, yeah, that guy right there, and you can't really get your finger in there, so not a big deal. Get all this stuff off, cool. And then these zip ties, they need to be cut. Let's grab some clippers here. Okay, go ahead and cut that off. Let's see, we'll cut this off. And this is our tube here. All right, so when we go to install it, power is furthest away from the power supply. You'll see the output lens right here that shoots that way. Because our mirror assembly is going to be on the left side next to our air intake, we have to make sure we install it shooting this way. Okay? Now these brackets that we put in, they're really convenient because they literally just hold the tube for you, right? Put them in there, tube's held. Cool. All right. So next video, we'll screw the thing in and get it all wired up. Thanks for watching.